You're gonna need your X line steel here.
Okay, today we're going to show you how to take the cap off a Weedwacker and then re-spool it. So first, you have my type. You put your thumb in here and you go into the corner a bit, and then you push it and then you jimmy it. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Pop her out. Now that you got this thing off, what you want to do is get your spool and measure out around. I usually do is just get 1 arm's length, and then get your scissors or whatever your tool you have, cutter, and then you grab this piece, you just measure it along, you grab your scissors, cut this piece. Okay, now that you have that, you're gonna see your 2 holes. You know what, I'll put them in like that and like that, and then you don't go that way, you go backwards so it spools, and then you keep twisting it and twisting it until you get to the end. Okay. Now that you got it spooled up, you go back over here. Then you want to place it down so it locks in under that. You just push down on it and don't let go of these 2. Then you gotta put one in here. This one probably should go over here. Put it right in there. And then you get this one right here. You put it right here. And you get your cap.
And just slide her on in there, right?
Yes, sir. Should press. And it should be able to pull out, and there you go. Now you got a fully re-spooled Weedwacker.
That's as simple as tarnation in a tardine.
Alright.
Let's put her to work. Here comes summertime. I expect you guys to be watching this video about 3 times a day, just for education purposes only. Make sure you subscribe and like and the whole 9 yards, and I'll see you in the next one.